Hi everyone, my name is Kathy and today I'll be sharing on the Bare Minerals Loose Foundation with SPF 15. What I like to do to apply this foundation is I add some product onto the cap and I use my Bare Minerals Beautiful Finish brush and we're going to do a swirl, tap, and buff motion. Okay, so you swirl and you tap out any excess. So we're going to start off onto the cheek and you just buff it onto your skin. It is super easy and it's quick. It is buildable. So if you want more coverage, you can easily build as you go. And what I love about this foundation is that it's mineral based, it is vegan, and it is cruelty free. And it only has 5 key ingredients, which is super awesome, especially those who have sensitive skin like me or dry skin. It also doesn't clog any pores. I'm gonna add some more. And this brush makes it so easy to apply. It is really smooth. It is really soft. So as you can see, it is super natural. It is so easy to apply and it has a beautiful coverage. I love it. I'm just feeling so confident with this foundation. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!